Yep. You got it.
If there's anybody in the vehicle, you need to step out!
Step out with your hands up! Sheriff's office, get out! Clear.
Pop that.
Timothy, this is the Volusia Sheriff's Office. Come up now.
Are we moving back?
Use the Bearcat for cover.
You want to use the doorway in the back?
Open door.
What else are you watching?
Timothy Strawter, this is the Volusia Sheriff's Office. You need to come out with your hands up. We're not going away.
Hands up.
Come on out, Tech. Come on out. Come on out.
Stand by, doors open.
Keep your hands up. Turn around. Face away from me. Back up. Hands up. Hands up. Back up.
Yep, stay on calm.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Stop. Go to your knees. Hands on top of your head.
Good stand up. On the real attention spot.
Nobody else coming. Nothing else going on. Okay.
Yep. Right back to us. Yep.